a heart strike. Yoga instructor out in Colorado, in the mountains, the foundational elements of heart yoga. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to show up, be here with me so I can talk about heart yoga. All right, what are we doing today? Heart strike. So to explain heart strike, I'm gonna visit the first of the yogi virtues, which is ahimsa, non-striking. A paradox, it seems, yes. But perception, don't get it twisted. Let's check it out. Lean into your own understanding of people and things. So let's expand. Ahimsa, non-striking, this is non-violence, away from, outside of the abject of the word. So himsa is to strike out, strike in, is violence. For example, alcohol. The foundational elements of alcohol, you got the yeast and you got the barley, you got the stuff. That stuff on a micro level, when in contact, goes to war. And that's what creates alcohol. So if you're having trouble striking people or things and you drink alcohol, that's something to visit, which I've been on that struggle bus, and it's not, I lost a lot from those years. It brings you to where you are today. So grateful for that, for you being here, and I can share my story, still alive. So where were we? Heart strike, ahimsa, non-striking, water, nourishing water, revitalizing water, water like every 3 days to survive, life-giving energy, water. Striking is impeccable force to something else. So this force, the force that is being brought to awareness in ahimsa, is destructive forces that entropy life. The entropy is natural ahimsa. Ahimsa is always happening. It's a conscious choice to act with ahimsa. So heart strike, we practice striking with the intention of love, compassion, universal compassion, like a wolf mother protecting her newborn cub. That is ahimsa. That is the striking that we're bringing into heart strike. I don't know if the camera caught it, but I got chills. I hope you have chills too, because I'm really excited. Heart strike, you're gonna generate your bodhicitta. Bodhicitta, universal compassion, baby. Love. This is that energy when a mother first has a newborn baby before she can get mad at the baby. That first connection of protection, of vigor, of love, so potent. So when I'm having a trouble generating bodhicitta, I like to invite in a visualization when I'm doing heart strike. I make the friction makes the heat. I envision Isabel. Some of you who have known me for a while remember Isabel. Isabel was my kitty from age 16 to 30. When I was in Nepal, Isabel passed away. If I were to do it over again, I would have brought her with me. Always keep your people close by. You can see how much I love Isabel. All right, so this, I want you to bring into mind a pet or your mom or your kid or lover, maybe even a tree. If you love a tree, if a tree is there for you, the trees, generate that right now in your hands. Visualize. Good. Now, we offer this energy out to the universe so all living beings can feel this and experience this joy, love, compassion, because it's birthright to feel this. So you offer it out. It started with 3, you can build up to 6 with awareness. So I have awareness of my bodhicitta, but my eyes are on you. That love close to my heart, in my heart, Isabel. Then do that 3 to 6 times. Then you bring it into your heart. Because sometimes it's really easy to do stuff for other people, love on other people. But when it's your turn now. Your bodhicitta that you just kick to the world, bring it into your heart. And the chest can withstand a lot. And with this practice, the chest becomes super strong in the heart. If you have heart complications, I recommend to consult with a doctor, a medical doctor, before bringing heart strike into your practice. All right, so the heart strike, bringing it in. You got your heart strike. When we first started, the palms were kind of separate. And then over time, I built like a fist. What feels good today? So you generate your bodhicitta, universal compassion, love, love, love. You bring it in. Oh! Right, you do that 3 to 6 times. And it strengthens the heart, energetically, emotionally, and brings heat to the body. Excellent to start your practice with. If you're one of those that likes to get things cooking during your yoga flow, if it's one of those days, bring in the heart strike, because you deserve it. You deserve to be loved. And you're enough, just as you are. Stay hydrated. And if you found value, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your comment below. I want to know how this showed up for you in your life.